Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. So in this week's video, this is a question I get asked a lot. Tell me more about how your process works. So I'm going to take you through a high level of the first time we talk all the way till we get an offer. Okay, so it's very simple. We always start the process with a discovery call. And it's a quick 15-20 minute call. And we're just going to get on the phone and kind of kick around some ideas of what is most important to you, why you're selling, a little bit about your business, and what you hope to achieve at the end and what success means to you, right? A quick 15-20 minute call. Now, the next step after that is we're going to request a few documents from you, and we're going to go out and kind of do our nerdy analysis and our evaluations, and we will spread all the numbers out of your business. We'll evaluate your business, take it to our underwriters, and then we'll come back to you with a game plan. And in that game plan, we're going to say, hey, your business is worth X. This is where we can take it to market. This is who our buyer is most likely to be. And this is where we think the structure is going to look like if and when we find a buyer and we go to close. Now, you can take that report, go to your family and kind of discuss it. And then you say, yes, I want to go to market. And once you decide that you want to take your business to market, we'll sign an engagement agreement between you and our firm. And then we will create a customized marketing plan for your business, and then we'll go to market. All right, so that is kind of like the first phase of it. Now, once we go to market, and because we specialize in restoration and we kind of know enough to be dangerous, so to speak, when buyers inquire and buyers call us about your business, we're going to go 3-4 rounds with them, talking to them about your business, etc. And in the next 6 months from the time we launch your business, you're going to get about 6 to 7 calls with clients or with potential buyers, okay, that are interested in talking to you more about the business. Now, in those 6 calls, you're going to get about 5 visits, okay? About 5 people after the conference call are going to come to you and say, hey, I would like to come see the place. I'd like to come see the warehouse, the office, grab a cup of coffee, talk about the business. Now, within those 5 visits, it's most likely that you're going to get one offer that you hate, okay? Because we still haven't figured out how to kind of weed out the bottom feeders yet. But within those 5 visits, you're also going to find an offer that you like. And you're going to probably sign that offer, and then we will start all the process to go to close, right? So that's the process. So from the beginning to an end, the whole process takes somewhere between 7 to 9 months from the time you decide you want to pull the trigger, all the way to kind of handing the keys of your business to a potential buyer, okay? You got any other questions? Be happy to hop on the phone and go into more detail on all of this.